Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. So exciting this week because Frozen 2 Lego sets just suddenly appeared on the shelves. It was like with no warning. They just appeared. So I was able to pick up this one, and I'm going to be doing the other sets soon. But this one is actually this is the jewelry box. This is Elsa's jewelry box, as you can see from the picture. It looks just beautiful. I'm looking forward to building all of these. Oh, my sheet of stickers is all crumpled. That's a shame. Oh, anyway, I should probably concentrate. We've got 3 bags. We've got blue horsey thing. And of course, we've got Elsa, and she's got a brand new outfit for the Frozen 2 Lego sets, and I assume for Frozen 2 as well. It's a little bit shortened, a bit better for traveling, I think. Her white boots are kind of, they look very, very stark at the bottom of the rest of this. Really pretty. Oh, there's a bit of print on the back there. That's cool, but the actual print from the front doesn't go all the way around to the back, but there's an interesting shape on the print on the back, which is cool. She's got a cape, and her cape has been split in the middle. Now, is it supposed to look kind of like, it's obviously not supposed to keep her warm. So it's supposed to be like 2 little bits of cape off either shoulder. And when we put her hair on, it actually doesn't hold the cape down very much at all because there's nothing in the middle, but it does hold it down just enough. That's really pretty. I like this new cape style. That's really pretty. It's really, really lovely, her new outfit. And she is joined by, when we get these stickers on, so these are shiny stickers. There's bubbles on this one, and ice, and some sort of little, like, lightning-y kind of thing. So these are the stickers. I'm concentrating on putting them on straight. They belong to the Nokk, the water spirit, who plays an important role in Frozen 2. No idea what it is yet because nobody's seen it at this stage. So Elsa and the Nokk are hanging out together on this jewelry box that we are going to build. And it just looks so pretty from the picture. So let's see what it looks like when we've actually put it together. The colours are pastely beautiful, pastely pretty, and I think it's just going to be a lovely place for you to store your little treasures in. So let's see. Okay, so we've got some crystals or ice here on one side. Of course, we need a matching one for the other side. I love the lavender base plate. It's just, I think I'm going to be overusing the word pretty today. I'm going to have to think of some other words for pretty. But it is just so pretty. We've got all of these little turny areas, like places to put these cog pieces. We're only putting 2 in at the moment, but that's really cool. So it's going to be like a music box, but with no music. You have to provide your own music. You have to sing Let It Go in like that tinny sound that you have from music boxes. Do 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 do. That sounds nothing like, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you could do this yourself. On the sides here, we've got those little pointy crystals that are hard to put on straight and also hurt your fingers when you put them on, but they look so lovely once they're finished. And of course, because this is a Disney princess set, you have got to have some of those gem cut style crystals. And on this little gear piece, there's a hingy area, which I think this is going to go on the hingy area. And so that's gonna be, I don't know quite what that is yet. So let's make the other one. There we go. And this goes over here like that. And they all spin together. This is a new glass shape in the arch. And we're putting our mirrored sticker on it. Oh, I've put an enormous bubble in that. I've never done that before. So if I do this, smooth it down. Now it's just covered in my finger smear, but that's okay. I can clean that off on my t-shirt. I'm nice and clean now. So a big mirror at the back of your jewelry box. It's a bit fuzzy, but it'll do okay for checking out Elsa's jewelry. Is she wearing any jewelry? Maybe for your jewelry. So you can peer into that and see if you can actually see yourself in that little fuzzy mirror. Or not. I think it's really just there for decoration. Okay, nice big pillars are going up on either side of the arched mirror. And some more crystally pieces. I'm gonna make sure I get these on straight. There we go. And they're lining the sides. That's gorgeous. See, I said gorgeous instead of pretty that time. And my sticker keeps peeling off the top. And I wonder, I've never had that happen with Lego stickers before. Maybe it's because, I don't know why it is. Maybe it's because it was actually bent in the packet. It's going to be annoying though if that keeps coming off. Doesn't normally happen with Lego stickers. All right, and we're heading hop, 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 hop. And on the tippity top, of course, we need a snowflake. It's really important because this is Elsa's set. So these are the display areas for the Nokk and for Elsa. They're both going in the same direction. They're both spinning the same way. I would have thought that they like should spin in opposite directions. Anywho, I don't get a say in that sort of stuff. We're up to bag number 2. And in bag number 2, we get some jewelry. We get some Lego rings, which only fit on my adult hands on my bottom fingers there, on the littlest fingers. They get a bit of decoration, so you can bling them up. You can put whatever you want on them, but there are some pieces here that come with the actual set. And on this one, it gets a little gold ice creamy bit, little gold scroll. Lovely, they're so pretty. Oh, we could actually put Elsa on there. No, actually, she's not going to look very secure on there. It was a nice idea. What works? So now I've got some bling for my fingers. Cool. I'll keep that on while I keep... That's a new piece. These are new pieces. Like, these are big wall pieces which are filled in. Oh, that makes the building so much quicker. So big blank white pieces there to build. Very, very quickly build a box component. And these here are partitioning up what I think is going to be the inside of our jewelry box. Look at those wall pieces go on so fast. They're going to be so useful. Massively fast amount of building. This part here, I think, is the little handle. It's cute. It's super duper cute. This is lovely. It really is so... Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. And there's the lock, which you can't actually lock. So it's just a sticker. It's just for pretend, but you might be able to actually fool your brother and say, no, that's locked. You totally can't open that. And you don't know where the key is. The key is the magical ice, and only Elsa with Elsa magic powers can open it up. And I have a magical Elsa powers, but you don't, so you can't open it. And you just hope that he doesn't actually try to open it, because then he'll find that's really easy. Let's put our little rings in here now that our box is finished. And now we're up to bag number 3. There's lots of purple in here. Lavendery purple. And you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to give Elsa her ice. I don't know how I managed to do that. That's like right back in bag 1. But anyway, now she's got some ice magic powers. Now we can continue on. What do we actually need now? Because we've got our box. Oh, we actually need the structure that the box slides into. So we got the drawer, and we need... I don't know what you call that. Like, it's a set of drawers. What's the drawer is that you pull out? What's the bit called that you actually slide the drawer into? I don't know. It must have a name. Anyway, we're building one of those. The things that the drawer itself slides into. I'm baffled now. How can I not know what that might be? What its name might be. But we're getting there. So we're smoothing off a whole heap. Oh, we're smoothing off a whole heap of the areas there, and now we've got some legs. These are the beautiful purple arched legs. Very elegant for our jewelry box. Very, very elegant with the blue on the bottom. That's just lovely. It's just gorgeous. Dare I say, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. And we have smoothed off around the sides now. So I'm still not quite certain how... now I have an idea of how we're going to slide the drawer in. So those grey pieces with the little grooves in them is where the drawer is actually going to slide in. That's going to keep it... It's like the runners. Keeps it on the runners. I just realised today how little I know about how drawers actually work. A set of drawers work. So we actually slide these in here, and that's so smooth. Lego's so beautifully made that everything just always slides so nicely. All right, so now we've got our drawer in its casing, and we've got some interesting hinge pieces there on the front. Little Technique hinges, little Technique joint pieces. We've got to keep joining all these bits over the top first. And the top looks as though it's pretty ready, so we could put the Nokk and Elsa, we could keep them safely in here. But on those hinge pieces on the front, we've got some more ice crystals. And we need a matching one for the other side. And have you guessed what these are actually going to be used for? Because they're on a hinge, when you can open at the moment, but when you put them in front, they stop the drawer from being able to be opened. So they are essentially the lock. So it stops it from, it's not going to stop your little brother from breaking into it, but it's going to stop it from accidentally falling open. So that's our jewelry box. It is entirely done. It just needs some music to go with it, and you can put any of your little precious pieces into the actual jewelry box. And I wish we had smoothed over those bits on the inside there, those grey bits. Would have looked much more finished. I wonder if, see, that comes off quite nicely, but there's no need to really dismantle it. It is one display piece and a storage piece too. I love it when it's extra useful, when you make something and it's useful. I like it now when I can put them and they're going in different directions. No, yeah, opposite directions. So Elsa's going one way and the Nokk's going the other way. I think that looks so much cooler than when they're both going the same way. So what do you think of this buildable Frozen 2 jewelry box? Let me know in the comments. Now's the time to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up before you run away and watch another video, and I will see you with a new one very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye!